Hey, this is Kimberly with R&R Sales. Come on down, take a look at this 2007 Ford F150. This is another of our certified pre-owned vehicles that has gone through a 115-point safety inspection and comes with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. Automatic transmission, power windows, power locks, AM/FM stereo with multi-CD changer and MP3. Steering wheel mounted controls. Is also set up with trailer brakes. Center console. Back seats will flip up to give you extra cargo space inside. Has the rear sliding window and has a moonroof. R&R Sales Incorporated is a member of Credit Union Direct Lending and can offer low interest rates and reasonable payments to well-qualified buyers. We also have guaranteed credit approval for any credit situation. So if we can't get you guaranteed credit approval, we'll buy you a steak or a vegetarian dinner. R&R Sales Incorporated has an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, so buy with confidence. See this vehicle and hundreds more at www.yeswecanauto.com or call toll-free 877-857-CARS to speak with one of our low-pressure sales staff.